Hi everyone, it's Sue Plumb here to share a quick unboxing video for the Kitaholic Kits February kit. So let's get started and see what's in the box. So I am going to start with the contents of the main kit, and we'll start with the papers because let's face it, it all starts with the papers, right? So let's have a look what we've got. Ooh, lots of color. Loving this already. So first one here is an Amy Tangerine paper from the Late Afternoon collection, and as you can see, it's a cut apart full of beautiful colors. Lots of nice brights there. On the back, it's a simple lined ledger paper, so I won't be using the ledger paper. I can tell you I'll be going for these colors straight up. So what else have we got? This one is a Vicky Bouton paper, and similar to the Protea that was printed on one of the papers in the January kit, which was that blue and white patterned paper, although this one has got a slightly larger print on it, and you can see that it's a colour one. And then on the back, it's got this teal sort of, can't remember what I would call that pattern. It's a geo pattern, but it's sort of like sort of Middle Eastern, Marrakesh sort of, yeah, that sort of thing. Vicky Bouton again. This one's got like that, it's like almost like a tiled print on it. Really detailed individual little tiles on it. And on the back is a gorgeous blue color. You can see it's got some light script through it, sort of like a dark watercolor. This one is from Crate paper, and it's a simple vertical stripe. Sort of got a coral color running through there, and on the back is a super cute little floral. That one's from the Fresh Bouquet collection. Really sweet. This one is also from Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon, and you can see it's a green and it's got a large sort of scribbled floral print on it. And on the back, it's got a horizontal stripe that's got a dark green and sort of a grass green color through it. This one is from Simple Stories Cozy Days. This one's called Warm Hearts, and again, it's got a beautiful floral on it. Loving all these florals. And on the back, it's got a plaid print there, which is sort of, again, that sort of corally color. It's got a bit of navy. Next one, Vicky Bouton. I can see it's got a script font print on it. I love this font here. It's beautiful. Love these scripty fonts. And it's a black and white, so that's pretty neutral. That'll go with a lot of stuff. And on the back, it's got this really light sort of white geometric print over a coral coloured background. You can see lots of colour cohesion going on through these papers already. Okay, next one is from Heidi Swap Art Walk. You can see that it's this green print. Really loving that green. Nice and vibrant. And on the back, that's a simple sort of painty style, mixed media style paper. So if you're not into getting messy, that's the ideal base for you to start with. Next one is from Pebbles, Lovely Moments. This one's called Blooms. Again, it's a sweet little floral. This one will probably lend itself really well to some fussy cutting. On the back, this time it's a typed text, black and white, another nice neutral paper they can use with a lot of things. Next one, Amy Tangerine, On a Whim. Another floral print, only this one's got sort of a pinky colour background, and then it's got a white print over the top, sort of scribbled doodle type thing, and then a black and white check. So it's good that all these florals are balanced off with these neutral type papers. And this one is from Heidi Swap Art Walk. And this one's called Full Bloom, and it's a beautiful large sort of floral. Again, this one I would probably tend to fussy cut because I find these larger patterns can be difficult to work with unless I'm working with them on a smaller sort of scale project like a traveler's notebook. And then on the back it's got this arty style, mixed media style paper on the back. So as I said, another good one to use if you're not into getting your hands dirty. So they are our papers. Now embellishments. Got a big pile of embellishments here. Let's get stuck into them. So first thing I'm going to pull out is that big paper doily there. Good for layering. If you're not into using it so large, you can cut it, use it in pieces, whatever you want to do with it. So we've got some thickers. Oh, they are really cute, glittery and iridescent. Oh, look how many you get. Look how many A's there are. So there's 6 in this font and there's 6 in this font as well. Love them. Okay, so we've got some Jen Hadfield puffy stickers. These are really cute little gold hearts. Let's pull them out. Sorry if you're getting the glare off all this plastic packaging. Oh my gosh, look at those. They are so cute. Right down to the tiny wee ones there. Really cute. Okay, stickers. Heidi Swap stickers. These are the old school and it's the sticker book, and there are 312 stickers in here. So I'm just going to get my craft knife and actually just slit that sticker on the side and on this side just to open it up easily so you can see. Oh my goodness, so many. Oh, there's some alphas in there. Stickers, foiled ones, clear stickers. Oh, I like those chevrons right there. Really good. Heaps of stickers. So much in this kit this month. Okay, these little frames from Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. They are really cute. Oh, look, there's some gold. They'll tie in well with those gold puffy hearts. They are really cute. You see those? So there's 8 frames in that pack. Okay, ephemera. So these are from the Jen Hadfield, the Avenue collection, and this is the icon ephemera. So you can see that there's all sorts of really cute little things there. There's some gold foil pieces here, which they've actually put separately there. So some butterflies and a bike and a key. And then there's lots of cute little things down here. So there's some sweet little houses there. Some little dogs, butterflies again. Some trees. So that'll be really, really cute to work with. Okay, I love these little packages. Like, surprise. Let's pull that washi tape off. Okay, I might dip this in my little bowl. Okay, good. So there's a little card there with some gold foiling on it. There is some lace trim. See that? It's a little scallop. That's really sweet. There is a chipboard title which says, "You Are My Sunshine." It's really sweet. And then there is a couple of cute little cotton tassels in here with gold trim. See those? Cute. Love it. Okay, so that is the contents right there of the main kit. Heaps to play with this month. Heaps of paper, heaps of embellishments, heaps of A's in the alphas. That's how I always judge a good alpha pack, how many A's you get. Okay, so this month's mixed media add-on kit has a stencil, which I'm just going to take out the plastic to try and reduce the glare for you. Can you see it's a large star stencil there? I hope you can see that. I should actually put it on a dark background for you. We'll use this paper here because it had that nice solid blue. Hopefully you can see that a bit better. You see the large stars on there. So that'd be good for doing a whole background, or it would be good just to move around the page. It's a nice strong stencil too. So you can use that with texture paste, you could use that with paint, you could use it with ink, or you could even just use it as a guide to doodle with a felt pen. I'm sure I'll find lots of interesting ways to use that in my projects this month. And then the last thing dun, 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 that we are playing with this month, and we actually have 4 of them, are the Dilutions shimmer sprays. So we've got 4 colours there. So we've got vibrant turquoise, we've got white linen, we've got laid back lilac, and we've got rose quartz. Look at that delicious colour combo right there. Look at it. Very pretty. So I'm going to have lots of fun playing with those this month. Now, usually I'm not much of a sprayer as such. I tend to use my sprays more with paintbrushes dipped in them and for splattering and things like that. But I might actually challenge myself to create at least one thing this month where I actually use the spray bottle as intended. So fingers crossed, stay tuned for that one. So there you have it. Jam-packed kit this month. Look how much stuff is in there. Look at all these embellishments. Look at the mixed media. Like, there is so much here. I better get printing some photos, I think, because I really want to get stuck into this stuff. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll be back soon with a project using this very stuff. Bye.